Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a super simple and easy dal recipe that uses only a handful of ingredients and is perfect to make on a busy weeknight to go along with rice and maybe a sabzi on the side for an easy yet wholesome meal. So let's get started. I have boiled half cup of toor dal. You can go with any yellow dal. I often do half and half of toor and yellow moong dal as it is a little lighter on the tummy. Pour the dal in a pot. And here I'm also adding 1/4 cup of water as I don't prefer to have a very thick consistency, especially to begin with, as dal will thicken as it boils. You can adjust the consistency based on your preference. Then to it add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. And for this recipe I prefer using fresh coarsely ground pepper instead of that fine pepper powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Mix everything in and bring the dal to a proper boil. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. In the meanwhile, get started on the tadka, for which lightly heat up about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee based on your preference, and to it add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and lightly roast it for about 30 to 60 seconds till it starts to flutter. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder and lightly roast it for another 30 to 60 seconds before turning off the heat. And then add this tadka to the dal, which must have come to a proper boil by now. And there you have it. A super simple and easy dal is ready. Pair it with freshly steamed rice, maybe a sabzi and some papad on the side, and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!